BLX.
BLX. Let's buy the BLX truck. He have a good container to make. Let's wait it. But we need another plan to buy that.
What is that? What's the plan?
I got an idea. Let's buy a Shopee. Yeah, that's a great idea. And we need to wait for the truck comes in to our house to play. And we can go over the tunnel and crush it together with the tow truck. Now, I will here and tell you make a Shopee to buy a BLX container 2 flatbed container truck. Okay? I wait here. You can buy it, okay? Okay. Let's wait and bye-bye. Let Papa do it.
Truck.
Load trucks?
Yeah.
Grand trucks?
Yeah, you can use this truck.
Oh, because he's so ginormous. Great idea, Daddy. I'm happy with you. Let's go fetch it. Oh, watch out to the stream. That's sinking you up. Let's be careful driving this truck because this is so crazy to drive. Now let's go, 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 go. Let's go to the gravel. Truck's good at going gravel. Look, a gravel truck. Why is so smoking that? Maybe he's broken. Let's fetch Katie to go. Katie, you can fix that truck? Good. Jing, jing, jing. Wait. Oh, finished. To drive. Katie, driving a car. Now, let's go visit. Okay, let's go this. We are... Oh! Katie wants to drive this truck to the bridge. You want to crush? Oh. Yeah, but you can go. This is a simpler truck. Ooh, I like it simpler. But it's too long to fit. How can we do this all these logs to carry? Until he's crashed and push. But don't do that. That make you sick. Because that's made of wood. But you need a flying machine to do this. To fly to the bridge. Ooh, be careful. This don't have to lock. Cannot lock. It's not locked. Let's crash. Ooh, ooh, oh, ooh, ooh, oh. I want to go to the workshop. Oh, a ball. Boing. Ooh. Uh-oh. A truck stopped in our way. Silly truck. Wait. Send Malik. Big truck. Maybe Malik is said a crash show. And the baby is crying. Oh, sorry. Hey, the truck too big to fit in. We need a small truck to do. Container truck. Let's buy it. But Daddy cannot. Maybe we have to crash him. Okay, bye-bye.